Hello world! On Entertainment Tonight News, hello Mr. Clooney. George Clooney greeted fans after previews for his Broadway show, Good Night and Good Luck, in New York City Tuesday night, showcasing a new brunette look. The fresh duo is a switch up from the star's usual salt and pepper style. The actor dyed his hair brown for his Broadway debut as Edward R. Murrow for the stage adaptation of the 2005 film, which he co-wrote and directed. Anyway, I know many of you will agree on me that whatever the color of the hair of George Clooney, either salt and pepper or brunette, he is still dashing, handsome, and elegant. Beautiful day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!